Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am creating a video series on web development. So this is the very first video on web development. So let's start this. So what are the topics we are going to cover in this? Let's see this. First is introduction to web development. What is web development and why we are learning web development? My motto is to so that a fresher or a common man who doesn't know any programming language can create a fresh website in HTML. I repeat, this will be a static website and not a dynamic website which interacts with database. So this will be a static website. He or she can create a website. He can apply some basic rules, and then he can or she can purchase a domain and then host it on a live server so that it will be available on internet. Okay, next we'll see HTML and HTML5. Then we'll create a basic HTML page, and then after we'll apply some styling or we'll write some CSS to give a better look to our web pages. Then we'll work with Bootstrap and we'll see what are responsive pages. So Bootstrap is basically to this is a library that we can import in our HTML pages, and it will give you a ready-made template to work with web pages, so that we write less CSS and we get more and we get a better look and feel for our web pages. And then we will try to write basic JavaScript code. So this is totally optional. If you want to apply some rules and validation on your web pages, it is mandatory, else you can avoid this. So validation means if you are creating a page where form is there, like pin code, so 6-digit pin code should be there. So this type of rules or validation, so only digits should be allowed, or email ID validation. So this type of validation need to apply, and that can be implement with the help of JavaScript. Then we'll work with ready-made template. We'll download a free template from internet, and we'll do some changes in the pages, and we'll make website or make web pages according to our need. And then we'll create our first website with the ready-made template that we have downloaded from the internet. And then we will buy a domain, we'll purchase a hosting, and we'll see from where we can buy this domain and hosting in lesser price for our need. And then we'll make our website live on internet so that everyone can see. Okay, now there is a bonus is that SEO tips and social media handling, that I will tell in the last video of this video series. So let's start the first part of this web development course. What is web development? So basically web development is a job or task to create pages or websites for internet or intranet that runs on browser. So in a simple words, all the pages which runs on browser with valid extension are the part of web development. Files extension like HTML, ASPX and PHP etc. So do you think that .txt or .jpg file can be a web development? See, notepad file extension, JPG, these are not, they run on browser, but still they are not the part of web development, because they are ready-made files that no need any development or any, you can't change anything in context of look and feel. Okay, so these are not the web development. Web development means you are writing something, you are making some changes in user interface, making changes in look and feel, and then you run on browser. Okay, so what is HTML and HTML5? So HTML is basically, it stands for hypertext markup language, and it is mainly used to develop web pages. So all the pages which runs on browser, any browser, whether it is Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Safari etc. In view source, if you will click on a web page, and you will right click on page and then select view source, you will see HTML tags in it. It means whatever the web pages programming language you use to develop a web page, at the end it renders in HTML form only. Okay, so a web page can be created using other framework or programming language, also ASP.NET, Java, PHP, but here we will use HTML only because we are not interacting with server side resources like database or any other APIs. So whatever programming language you use like ASP.NET, Java, PHP, all the pages rendered in browser in HTML only. To check this option, go to a website, right click on page and then select view source. You will see the HTML tags only. Okay. So what are the difference between HTML and HTML5? HTML uses Flash Player to support audio and video files, but in HTML5 you can use audio and video tag to support these files in browser. HTML5 is the fifth version of HTML. HTML5 has overcome many issues and drawbacks which a user had faced in HTML. HTML5 supports specific tags for header, footer, menu and navigation etc. But in earlier version of HTML, same task is used to be done with div tag and ID. See, in HTML, you can see in HTML, it is div ID header, div ID footer, div ID menu. By this we can identify this is header section, this is footer section, this is menu section. But in HTML5 directly we can write header, footer and menu. So this is the syntax for HTML5, like header, a starting tag, and then we write our code, and this is the end tag, closing tag, start tag, closing tag, start and closing. Okay, that we'll see in the demo part. So another differences are HTML uses cookies to store data, but HTML5 uses local storage for storing data. That we will see in demo part also. HTML5 works only on modern browsers. So latest browser only supports HTML5. If you are using an old browser, in that case HTML5 tags like audio, video, header, footer and other tags which are introduced in HTML5, that will not work on older version of any browsers. Okay, now we'll create HTML pages, but that we will see in next video, because in next video we'll start creating HTML pages from the scratch. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video, and please subscribe to our channel to get an alert about upcoming videos and notification. Thank you guys, have a nice day, bye bye.